Hello, my name is Jose. I'm a Java champion and Java 1 rockstar, and I'm so happy to present my new course, Implementing Design Patterns using Java 8 Lambda. This course shows you how to leverage the functional patterns brought by Java 8 to implement the classical patterns from the famous Gang of 4 book. First, you will see how those functional patterns have been used to improve the JDK itself, on consumers, predicates and functions, and also on comparators. Then you will see how the same techniques can be used on your applications where the patterns are much more complex to implement. You will see the builder, the registry, and one of the most complex ones, the visitor. Once this is done, you will create your own purely functional and fluent validator. Functional programming, chaining and composition of functions, partial applications, all those topics are not easy to master. Mix them with the classical design patterns and you will get a complex subject. So let me take you through all this. I can't wait to see what you will be able to create with those new tools.